All right. Good morning, everybody that is just joining. Good morning, good morning. Morning, Scott. How you doing? How are you doing? Getting back in the grind last couple months. Gotcha. Been busy, huh? Been busy. Good morning. Good morning. That's too long of a name for me to pronounce. Too early. Too long of a name. Got the iFVG Autotrader up today. Just doing some testing with it, so still a beta version. A lot of travel, summertime stuff. Cool. Fun traveling or work traveling? Get that hot, yeah. Fun traveling, awesome. Awesome. Yeah, I want to do some fun traveling soon as well. I want to go to Europe next summer, so that's my plan. iFVG, inverse fair value gap, Autotrader. You ever heard of an inverse fair value gap, Scott? Yeah, it's just a beta. We've been working on it for a little while. Still fine-tuning things. Have a bot like this. Cool. Cool. Yeah, we got a lot of things in here. We have drop-ins and nuclear SPS. Awesome. Cool. Oh yeah, you were or is your name oh wait, you're in the Discord, yeah. Emarudo. Amarudo. Is that how you pronounce it? Size filter? What do you mean what size filter? The iFVG size. So well, with the Autotrader, I don't know exactly how it likes it, but when I'm looking manually, I like a fair value gap in the range of like 7 to 15 points. But we have the filters per usual, 3 filter times. We have just the fair value gap opacity. You can change the FVG data series. So if you want like a second chart that it like plots the 30-second FVGs, you can do that. I had just have it on default 1 minute here. Indicator filters, still your break-even stops. We have swing strength here, max contracts, full auto mode, which we'll just use full auto mode today. You can check for fair value gaps above and below, so that'll help prevent you from taking a long trade right into another fair value gap. Impulse move. This is kind of like a momentum. If you want, you know, to get in on more of a momentum candle, there you go. Require fair value gaps that are in the same direction. Some ATR information here. We pretty much just have everything defaulted here on full auto mode today. So yeah, this is what full auto mode looks like. Right here. It's just normal. And then if you check it off of full auto mode, you can actually mark out the liquidity points that you want to take trades off of. So if we want to have it look for shorts off of this swing point, we can click here, marks the purple line. It'll now look for shorts if we cross above here, or if we want longs below here. There you go. Now it'll mainly just look for longs below here, shorts above here. Okay. Pretty unique feature there. Today we'll just run full auto. This is like live testing. I have no idea how it'll work in live. Been doing some back testing with it. It's been pretty good. But yeah, again, who knows how live will be right now. So it's still in beta mode. This will probably be released sometime next month. Sometime next month. Xbox gamer tag. Amarudo. Gotcha. Yeah, that's the gist of it. Today we do have London and Asia high. Well, it's not London high anymore, but well, equal highs pretty much with Asia high at 23,805. So that's like 50 points above, but that's what I'm watching above us. And then we have London low right below us at 734. So when the market opens here, I want to watch for a London low sweep. And then maybe look for longs off of that London low sweep. That is my plan for right now. Yeah, I mean, if you take I mean, depends if you're just blindly taking them, then yeah, it's probably 40% win rate or something. But once you learn some more good things about what a good fair value gap is, definitely a little higher win rate. But the auto trader is not going to work exactly like you would necessarily manually take it all the time, but we're tuning it still, so this is not a final product by any means that you guys are seeing today. Not a final product. Just try to keep it as mechanical as possible. Yeah. That's good. That's good with trading, and you know, the big aspect is trying to keep it mechanical. So no matter what, you're just taking your setups. All right, market's open right now. Oh, big drop. Big drop and then pump back up there on the open. A very big opening candle there. That is, I guess it's not that big. 20 points on the opening candle. Still fairly big. Good morning, Jonathan. Good morning. Given how swings are drawn, I'll be surprised. You can tune how the swings are drawn, and you can manually mark out the swing points. So if you want, you don't have to run it on full auto mode. You can just basically mark out hourly swing points that you want it to look for trades off of. That's one thing with a lot of our algos. Hold on. All right, we just swept London low and previous day low. We swept pretty much all the liquidities below us until 622. Yeah, full auto. One thing with a lot of our auto traders that I was going to say is we'll give like back testing results for what we built it on, which is generally we build our stuff around, you know, a 1 minute chart, candlestick chart. People instantly just jump ship without even trying and test other things and then wonder, oh, why is it buggy, or why doesn't it work as good? Well, it wasn't built for that, you know. All right, we're dropping heavy here, so we're already down 100 points on the day. Already 100 points in 3 minutes. Careful with this volatility. ES also just made equal lows with London low. Big selling right now. Don't know if you want to be looking for longs as of now, because we didn't get a good reaction from those hourly sweeps there. Might be, it kind of looks like NQ might want to go for the hourly low at 622, or ES just wants to sweep London low. Yeah, at least we broke out of the last couple days of range. True, true, true. And reminder here, this Autotrader is not any sort of high frequency 30 trades a day kind of bot. So some days you'll get quite a few trades, some days you might get none. Same as all of our other stuff. Probably be definitely more action than like Trendbender, but yeah, probably more similar to an SBS of sorts with the amount of trades. Yes, somewhat bouncing here. Do have equal lows the bottom there on NQ. Assuming we'll probably sweep that. Big sell-off. That was 110 points there. ES did make equal lows with London lows. A little concerning. ES marching up a bit. NQ not as much. Interesting market. Market's moving very volatile, very fast right now. Yeah, market's really, really whippy right now. We're in a lot of big fair value gaps here. A lot of big fair value gaps. Oh, ES really moved up there. Wow. NQ is quite a ways behind. Didn't think the last one on the spike down, there's nothing to take. Where would it have taken an entry here? iFVG right before 935 candle? This didn't mark it out because it's such a small gap. That's like a 3-point fair value gap. So yeah. You can tweak it, but that's how I have it. It's just defaulted settings right now. So Okay, well, ES. Oh, that doesn't look terrible. Okay, well, now NQ's really dropping. We're gonna resweep these triple equal lows on NQ. Or make more equal lows. Yeah, next hourly low is 622. Next hourly low is 622, so. But we just made another double equal low, so there's now 4 equal lows at 660 on NQ. Okay. There's the equal low sweep. There was an ES short that looked pretty good, but market's moving fast, so gotta be quick today. Gonna be catching things. Yeah, next hourly low 622. I think there's a better chance for some higher quality setups maybe down there. Getting closer to that 622. We hit 638. ES still hasn't swept London low. I think ES might want to draw to London low. 1 hour FVG, 4 hour FVG download to deliver off of? Yeah. Yeah, I think I would like to see 622. And I want to see, yes, also sweep London low. If we go for London low on ES, I think we probably will take out 622 on NQ. Getting a little rangy now. Getting a little rangy. Do we have news? 10 a.m. Nah, nothing. I can already see people getting bored in the live stream because we haven't gotten any trades yet. A lot of fair value gaps here. A lot of fair value gaps. I don't know if it'll take anything based off of these. So we'll see. Was this yesterday? Yeah, it looked like we had some trades yesterday. All profit targets yesterday. Had a short here, caught 40 points. Yeah. Got your loss for the day. Chilling. What trade did you take? Oh, the 935 candle. Did you not scale? Because that one went up 20-30 points. I feel like that should have been a scale. That was not like a terrible long. It wasn't great, but. Oh, you target, yeah, you said you target 2R. Yeah, that went 1.5. I would have at least gone break even on that. But whatever you do, if it works for you, that's all that matters. Oh, what do I need there? Is that right? It's falling again. What are we gonna do, man? Moving higher, moving lower, moving higher, moving lower. And see some of the trades it took yesterday. This was on a little bit more of a buggy version. We made some fixes already off of yesterday. Yeah. So we had yesterday a partial win based off of this fair value gap here. Then we had off of this gap here a short trade that went, and then we had off of looks like this fair value gap here. ES is way more bullish than NQ this morning. ES is way more bullish. ES is touching a 1 hour fair value gap again. This is where it's rejected previously. And we're moving towards Asia high on ES. Moving towards Asia high on ES, which is at 6471.75. Could watch for reversals on NQ once ES sweeps Asia high. We could, if there's something good. There we go, big spike. Big spike there. ES swept Asia. It's in a 1 hour fair value gap here. It's going okay. Alrighty. Oh, I forgot to move this back over. There we go. Shorts are valid here. Shorts are valid. ES swept Asia high. ES swept Asia high in an hourly for Valley Gap. We have a SMT. Oh. Well, I don't know if we're going to be getting any trades here this morning. Might be more of a lunchtime afternoon trading for the auto trader here. Getting a little rangy here. Want to see us start to expand again. Getting choppy up here. What is this range? 20-point range right now over the last 10 minutes about. Would like to see a trade with the bot on stream, but it might be an off-stream trading day. See, it would have taken a 30-second long here. Looks like. Might be a little bugged with the historical trade look back, but man, ES is just so bullish today. It's actually a pretty big divergence between ES and Q. I think we'll end the live stream here, guys. I think we'll end it here. We'll be back tomorrow. So have a good rest of your day. Be careful out there. And I'll update you guys if we get any trades. See you guys.